Google shares actionable tips on using Google Trends for competitor insights, brand awareness analysis, and forecasting product demand. Google's Daniel Weisberg and Omri Weissman share 3 tips for improving both online and offline marketing strategies. They explain how to leverage Google Trends search data to make better decisions about products, optimize strategies, understand consumer behavior, and focus marketing efforts for a higher ROI. Google offers 3 tips: how to benchmark against competitors, analyzing brand awareness, forecasting product demand. How to benchmark against competitors. Google's Daniel Weisberg showed that one way to research competitors is to do a head-to-head comparison of search terms for your company versus competitors by entering your company name or domain name in one panel of the Google Trends and your competitors in the second one. He suggests selecting a topic from the categories drop-down menu, which will allow for more specific user intent segmentation, where a user is looking for results in a specific niche or topic. Weisberg comments that it's okay to not choose a category if one doesn't exist. Although he doesn't mention it, there's an additional way to segment users by the type of search: web search, image search, Google Shopping, and YouTube search. This is an option that's available that can help see how people are searching images, videos, etc. in comparison to competitors. Step 1. Choose a category. Google Trends shows a trend line indicating how often users are searching for both company names. The trend line shows if a company is trending up over time, if it's experiencing a downward trajectory, or if customer demand is on a steady level. Spikes can be evidence of seasonality. A sharp spikes could be a sign of a marketing effort or promotion paying off. Weisberg encourages users to scroll down to inspect search trends by subregion, metro areas, and cities. While Weisberg suggests it's a way to determine demand for opening a store, the way I use the information is for determining geographical areas where demand is higher and focus online marketing effort there to maximize ROI. This can be done for link building, PPC, email, whatever your method is. Step 2. Analyze subregions. 2. Analyzing brand awareness. Weisberg explains that Google Trends can be used to track brand awareness by filtering results over time to identify what people are saying about the brand. He recommends setting the time range for the past 30 or 90 days. Related search terms that are rising or are top terms offer insights into how consumers are perceiving your brand, including what they're associating the brand with. This same method can be applied to analyze YouTube search trends related to brand by selecting YouTube search from the categories drop-down menu at the top of the Google Trends page. 3. Forecasting product demand. An easy way to predict product demand with Google Trends is identify which products are searched for the most and then zero on how demand changes with time. It's suggested to pay attention to seasonal trends and adjust product inventory accordingly. Weisberg explains how to do it at about the 6:40 per minute mark by researching cheese. In his example, he notes the seasonality, but then takes the analysis another step forward by scrolling down and exploring related terms that can suggest related products with higher search demand that you may want to begin selling or reviewing. He explains, if you scroll down, you'll find the related topics and the related queries cards. Here you can check the top topics to find ideas what has already gathered a lot of interest, and also the rising topics to get a sense on what is getting more attention lately. Don't forget to look further through the pagination. Notice how charcuterie appears on both lists. Add this term to your analysis. You'll see that it has significantly more interest than cheese platters. Maybe you should consider analyzing this term further and potentially diversifying Google Trends for successful online marketing. Google's Daniel Weisberg and Omri Weissman demonstrated how to use Google Trends to improve online marketing, competitor research, brand research, and better understanding customer preference and behavior. It can also be used to identify which products to focus on and at what times of year. These tips are useful for both online and offline marketing strategies.